Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now, park level, chalk wheels, and set the parking brake so nothing shifts. Spray penetrating oil on both link studs and let it sit about 10 minutes to seep into threads. Loosen the nuts one turn on the top and bottom with the correct socket. Do not fully remove yet. Jack the corner, place a stand under the control arm, and remove the wheel so you have clear access. Make sure your tools are ready and within reach. Now focus on freeing the stuck link. Hold the stud with a wrench while applying an impact or breaker to the nut. Short, controlled bursts work best. If the stud spins, tap the nut with a hammer to jar corrosion. For seized nuts, heat the nut for about 30 to 60 seconds with a propane torch, then cool it quickly and attempt removal. If the stud won't drop out, use a puller or pickle fork, and rotate the sway bar to remove preload so the link can come free without bending surrounding parts. Once the old link is out, clean the bracket holes and threads, apply a light coat of anti-seize, and install the new link. Make sure the sway bar and control arm are positioned as they were. If the manufacturer specifies torque at ride height, lower the vehicle onto the tires before final tightening. Torque nuts to the OEM spec using a calibrated wrench. If a stud breaks, stop and extract the remnant with a bolt extractor or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.